But we just made it back to the port from the sky ride, and I checked it out. It's $29.95 for an adult. So $30. You can get a cab ride, probably about 10 or 12 bucks there. It's about 3 miles away. So you're about 40 bucks. I think we paid about 65 or 70 bucks per person for this excursion. So you probably save some money. If you come in on the east side, don't even get this excursion. Just walk across the street. If you come in on the west side, you're gonna have to get a taxi to go there. But you're gonna have plenty of time because we're here for like 8 hours. It's a 20-minute ride each way. You spend 4 hours up there, have nice meals, some drinks and stuff like that. Still get back here and plenty of time to go do some shopping like Keejan's doing. So the world famous Kahlua Bushwhacker. If you don't like frozen drinks, don't get it. I don't like frozen drinks. I give it like a 4.5. It would have been nicer to like sip on it versus suck it. So I don't know, but that's just my thoughts. So if you come, enjoy it. If you like frozen drinks, definitely get it. But if you don't. So if you've ever been on a trip with Keejan and you watch her shop, it's like a National Geographic documentary. You get to see the creature in its natural habitat, just prowling, looking for its next purchase. It's crazy. So an interesting fact about St. Thomas, St. John, St. Croix, they were purchased for about 25 million US dollars back in the day from the Netherlands. And the reason why they did that is due to the Panama Canal. This was the closest location to the Panama Canal, and where we actually are docked used to be the substation for submarines when they were working on the Panama Canal. So the Virgin Islands have been owned by more people than Texas, and Texas had 6 flags over. I think we're like 7 or 8 here, and over here is a windmill, just as proof that the Dutch actually owned here. Back in St. Croix, there is a part of the island that was just really Dutched out. We didn't get to go there because of our excursion, but if you are into the Dutch culture, and you come to St. Croix, you want to go onto the, I want to say it's Amerly side, and that's really like a Dutch colony. You know she means business when she takes her sunglasses off. turn nowhere. I thought I was going to be able to sneak away from one of the gift shops, but I'm walking away and he's just like, hey, have we been in that one? Not bad. She only hit me for 40 bucks. But we got one more place to go. Little Switzerland. We'll see. I've been to Switzerland, so I've been to big Switzerland. So we'll see if this is Little Switzerland or if it's a knockoff. Little China. Nope, that's jewelry and watches. Not going in there with you, Simpson. Nope, not going to do it. I'll be like George Bush in the 90s. Not going to do it. Well, that pretty much completes our time at the West Side Port. What do you think? West Side or East Side?
East side.
East Side? East Side is definitely better. Like, if you're looking for more souvenirs, things like that,
Yeah.
the East Side is like the one to go to. So if you're coming in on Royal and you're coming over here to the West Side and you're not doing an excursion, take a cab, go to the East Side, do your shopping, go check things out, catch some food, go take the sky ride, enjoy the scenery, and then come on back here to Boringville, where the shops of the same thing. It's the same thing. So, but there is no duty. So if you want to save some money for your booty, come on over here and pay no duty. Well, off to St. Martin.